let me explain what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to put this light on my pole that's above me, and I want it to go up there to the left and be pointing down to put more light on the actual desk itself. I know it's only a small light, but it's quite bright. Let me quickly give you a demonstration. See, it's quite bright. Yeah, bright enough for me. Now it's got a built-in battery, but what I want to do is run a cable from this all the way down my pole, down the side of the wall, into the electrics. And I've also got a USB plug adapter. It's got USB 3.0 and a PD. Now, PD means it provides power, which would be perfect for all I want. But I found an issue, with this cable. Let me show you what I mean. Plug this in into my power bank. Make sure it's right way around. Plug this end in to this to charge it up or to power it up, and nothing. So this cable, although I do like this cable, is only good for transferring data. It doesn't transfer any power, so it's no good for me. Plus it's not quite long enough. That's 3 meters, and I really do need 5 meters. So I actually use an extension lead, and I thought, well, why isn't it working? And that's what it is. So I've invested in this little baby. Now, before I unravel it, I want to test it to make sure it works. So it's got USB, and I believe that's USB 3.0 on one side, which I'm going to plug into my power bank, like so. And then I'm going to plug the USB Type-C connection into this, and it should power it up. There you go. So it's getting power from this. So I know this cable actually works, whereas the other one don't. And I didn't know that. I knew cables were not always equal, but I thought when I bought this cable, I thought it was a good quality one. It had some really good ratings, but it doesn't produce power. So I just wanted to show you this little video, and if you want to carry on watching, you can. I'm just going to do a little installation. I'll do a little video of installing it at the end of this video. So with that, I will place links into the cable. I will also place links into the actual plug that I bought as well. Quite nice plugs. Yeah, I actually bought these little bits. And that's it. If you like this little video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.